welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a getting back on track vlog, post travel edition, because you guys really love my last getting back on track video where I just kind of took you guys through me getting back into routine and on track after being in a little bit of a rut for a few weeks, which was really nice. I went to California the past week and I just got back yesterday. Literally, we got home at like 9 a.m. I came home, took an everything shower and went to sleep, and I woke up. I woke up 2 times like in between, but I went through like a deep like full 8-hour sleep, and so I didn't sleep last night. So my body's just kind of readjusting, and my plan is to just stay up all day today and then go to bed early tonight and reset hopefully my body clock, because I'm in Eastern Standard Time, so it's 3 hours behind. But I literally just could not sleep tonight, so I literally just did a bunch of like admin stuff, work, things like that, watched a bunch of YouTube. Anyway, I just got out of the gym. I did a pull day, which was so nice, because the gym there is good, but it wasn't like, it's just not like a commercial gym. So I was like really happy to come back and just do my regular session, which was amazing. And then I also have to pick up some groceries, which I'm gonna do today, finish up some laundry, clean really badly, because I procrastinate when I have to leave for a trip, and so I kind of left my room a disaster. It's not too bad, but my bathroom and my room just really needs a good deep clean, so I'm going to be doing all of that stuff today, and then probably going to get into some work. I have a few errands to run, and like editing. I have to post a YouTube video, so much stuff. So yeah, that's basically the plan for today. Anyway, I literally just went to the gym, and I'm gonna go home now and make my like second breakfast basically, which is just like a higher in protein breakfast, which I think I'm gonna do protein pancakes. So yeah, that's the vibe. It's 7:30, so let's go home and let's make some breakfast.
Create the sound. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares inside those ocean eyes.
Okay guys, I just made it to the grocery store, as you can see behind me, and I'm gonna go in and pick up just a few things that I need for the week. Basically, I think I'm gonna do tacos as my meal prep lunch, because it's easy and I can just like meal prep beef, have the taco shell, sour cream, cheese, and all that. So I think that's what we're gonna do for lunch. So yeah. Hello you guys, I just got home from getting groceries, and I thought I'd do a little grocery haul and show you guys like what I eat in a week. Basically, my mom did go to the grocery store last night and got just like some essentials like bread, milk, I think that's mostly it, butter, some things like that, like little things. But like, because I'm like a gym rat and I just like eat in a specific way, I get some top-ups just for like my meal prep lunches and stuff like that. So here's what I got. First, I'm gonna try out this Stoke cold brew. I've been wanting to get back into coffee, and so I thought I'd try this one. I already have like a vanilla thing, like a vanilla just seasoner, so go with it. I just got the Delight French Vanilla. This is my favorite creamer. I think it's the only one I've ever tried, but these are so good. I made them with my protein shakes for the longest time, so I got that. I just got a mini one because the big one was like 10 bucks. So I was like, okay, this one will last me like a good 2 weeks. Then I got eggs. These are the these are the free run eggs, and they're just 12 eggs. I eat like typically 2 to 3 eggs in a day. So yeah. Now for my meal prep lunches, I normally do my meal prep Sundays, but because obviously it's Tuesday, I just want something simple. So I'm gonna be doing tacos. So I'm just gonna prep the beef and then like keep that in a container. And then I also just got these taco little tortillas. They're yellow corn blend. These ones are actually 3 grams of protein per tortilla, which is good. And there's 10 in here, I think. 8, sorry. So yeah, and I also got this taco seasoning, just the Old El Paso, everybody knows this brand, just to season my beef with, so it tastes like, you know, tacos. And then I got sour cream because I love me some sour cream on my tacos. And also I already have cheese. My mom had, or we had cheese like before, so didn't have to get to cheese. And then lastly, I just got some strawberries because they were on sale, and I love a good little strawberry moment. Throw it in oatmeal, can mix it in a protein shake, like literally whatever. So yeah, and I literally paid $40 for that, you guys, for 8 items. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just gonna pack this basically, and then I need to get into some work because it's already like 11, but I gotta change out of these jeans because they're suffocating. So I'm just gonna get into some computer work. I already had my reel scheduled for the day, so it posted while I was like in the grocery store. But yeah, I just like post my TikToks, edit emails, work on my business, things like that. That was my first time ever trying the Stoke coffee, and it was so good with the creamer and the little vanilla syrup that I had. Anyways, now I really need to get into work because I literally have not done anything. I already have like literally 2 YouTube videos ready to go. One of them is my LA vlog, and the second is like a social media video that I made. So I just have to make a thumbnail and upload one of those, and then post my Instagram story to like deep clean, because I don't know what it is before a trip. It's just a tornado rips through everything. It's horrible. It's disgusting. My room is disgusting. I can't even be up there right now. So I'm working down here, just getting stuff done, gonna edit that thumbnail, post my YouTube video, and get my life together. Okay guys, I just posted my YouTube video, and I also posted it on my story that it's up. So if you haven't watched that one, go watch it. But now I'm gonna clean a little bit while I wait for the beef to defrost. I just put it in not too long ago. Probably gonna sort some laundry because I have a lot of laundry. It just needs to be sorted, and that's taking up like laundry baskets. So let's go do that, and I'm probably just gonna put on like a YouTube video in my room and do that. I love cleaning, like listening to music or a YouTube video. And I'm also gonna be doing like a discipline diary series soon, which I like just started all the stuff for last night because I literally didn't sleep, on how I'm becoming like the best version of myself and trying to watch less Netflix and TV and more YouTube, because like YouTube is more like informational. I feel like I love just watching like people's experiences with things and videos like that, vlogs of like stuff and people that are like where I want to be someday, you know. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's 12:30-ish, so let's go clean. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but once I sort my laundry, I think I will start making lunch. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm in my closet now, as you can tell, and I had to change because I took off my bra and she was a little revealing. So yeah, I'm wearing this sweater now. So yeah, this is kind of the state of my closet. This is just a glimpse, like you guys can't even see the floor. It's giving JT real bad. But I have this full laundry basket of clothes that I need to tackle. So I'm gonna tackle that right now. But there's like just so much in here. There's like stuff on the floor. Ugh, it's a disaster. But yeah, we're gonna tackle this first, and then we're gonna make lunch because I can feel myself getting hungry. And yeah. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna put this in time lapse and play my YouTube video.
Too long. Damn right, I know what I do wrong. Ain't no way that I'm gonna change up. Not everybody better pay up. Elevator on my way up. Can't help that to the feet up. Down underneath that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Pull out the windows, put on the gas. Reason I remember the kids so still in my pants.
Okay guys, these are the finished tacos. They look amazing. Kind of wish I got lettuce though, because it's literally just taco, beef, and cheese and sour cream. But I'm just gonna eat these, watch some YouTube, and then probably do some more cleaning. Okay, hey guys, I'm in my bathroom and it's like 4, almost 5 right now. Not gonna lie, because getting back on track comes with a lot of like napping. I like was about to nap and then I just kind of started doom scrolling for like 2 hours. So I still haven't cleaned the dishes, but that's kind of the last thing I have to do. And I like feel myself getting tired, so I literally think I'm gonna go to bed so early, but I really just want to clean my room because I feel like my room is a reflection of my mind, and if my room is messy, then I'm just messy. Like everything's messy and I don't even want to show you. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. Actually, first I'm gonna make a fizz, just an energy fizz. They help me just have natural energy without the crash that coffee does. So I have a little bit of energy, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning this as well as my closet and doing the dishes downstairs because my mom is on her way home from work. And if she sees that, that is not gonna be cute. So let's get to it. Okay, literally 2 minutes later, I came down and I decided I'm just gonna make my greens because I put a fizz in them anyway to help the taste, even though these ones I can have on their own because it's like a citrusy flavor, but this is just a bonus because this helps with my digestion, bloating, skin, all of that, which is much needed after traveling. And then this gives me energy without the crash and helps the drink taste good. So yeah, if you guys want to get the glow drink, I like to call it, the link will be in the description down below. I just finished cleaning the kitchen, which I feel so good about. It's like 5:20, I think. Now I'm gonna tackle my bathroom, my closet, and my room overall, which I really don't want to do. But literally, you guys, I watched a TikTok because I was scrolling on TikTok and I came across a video. I think I'll insert it now.
Whatever it is you're trying to accomplish, I don't care what it is. You're working on 75 hard right now, or fitness goals, wellness goals, money goals, career goals, whatever the case is, you have to remember that your mood is going to change like your underwear. And that's why I always say, follow your plan and not your mood. Follow your plan and not your mood.
This is literally what got me out of bed, is that like she's doing, the creator that was filming this does 75 hard or is like very passionate about it. And I think she's doing it currently. And she was just like, you will not always feel like doing the thing, so don't follow your mood, follow your plan. Like, I plan to be a tidy person and keep my space clean because it just makes me feel better and I'm not stressed about it, and it's one less thing I have to worry about. But I don't feel like cleaning, but because I know that a clean room will make me feel better, I do it. So that literally got me out of bed to make my greens and to start cleaning. So I love that. But I'm just gonna tackle this now, and then I think literally just gonna do laundry, and that's gonna be it for me today. Getting back on track requires a lot of rest, okay? So I didn't really rest a lot today. I was kind of go, but it was a good day. I feel really glad that I like at least like unpacked my suitcase yesterday, hit the gym today, had an amazing lift today, have cleaned, have done some work, posted it on Instagram, posted my TikToks for the day, posted a YouTube video. Like, I feel good, even though it doesn't feel like I did a lot, because I don't know, I'm tired and I just I didn't do as much as I normally would do, you know, but it's like I have to give myself grace because I just came back yesterday, girl. I didn't sleep, literally. And I'm probably just gonna go to bed super early tonight, so yeah. But let's clean my bathroom and my room now.